If you read the title and said, Toshi, what is card game? I do not understand. I thought you do not program. Well, now you know. My card game looks bad. Let's make it better. Okie dokie, we got our game open with Unity. I saw a button there. Let's press it. Looks better. But the map is bad. Let's make it better, I guess. So, before we start to put stuff in the game, how about I show you the game? So, here's some clips of me playing it.
What you want? We hang with them ballers, we don't even ball. I just motherfucking started, now I want it all. Most rappers retarded, they can't rap it all. I knew all this shit would happen before it started. Too much money in your pants, probably why it's falling. Stack my money in the bank so it's never falling. I'ma pop up with it again, we gon' put her all in. Yeah, can't take a loss, I don't trust you when you talk a lot. Acting like a zombie, copy how they talk. What's the drip? I don't think they drippin'. $1,000 jeans, tell me why they got the ribs then.
I know this is a short video, but I don't want to make more, I'm tired. So, the next video is after 6 days, maybe, about the Brocky's new competition, making games. So, be sure to select the notification bell and stay cheeky breeky.